Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video I'm going to talk about PIP in Python. So PIP is a package installer. Basically we have been learning about modules from previous videos, such as what is modules, because there are lots of third-party modules available such as TensorFlow and OpenCV. So if you want to install any third-party modules and frameworks, you can use pip install command. So by default, if you have Python version more than Python version 3.7 3.4, the pip install is going to be come as default. If you have Python version 2.7 or below 3.4, you need to install pip manually by searching Google. But pip is a really good thing. For example, if you want to obtain any packages, you can type pip install. So for example, if you want to install TensorFlow, you can type TensorFlow. It will automatically install the TensorFlow library to your computer. For example, if I import TensorFlow now, it won't work because it didn't install it. So if I execute the script, and the script it will be downloaded, so it is going to be 400 megabyte, more than 459 megabytes of things TensorFlow. So I'm not going to install it because it will take more time. So this is the way of installing things by using pip. You have to type pip install and the package name. So if you want to uninstall package, you can type pip uninstall and the package names. For example, here I have installed TensorFlow, import TensorFlow as TF. So basically I have imported TensorFlow module because I want to do some machine learning. Like I said before, TensorFlow is a machine learning module. So if I execute this program, what is going to happen? It's going to say no module TensorFlow is found. So in order to sort out this issue, you have to install pip install TensorFlow. Okay, that's all you have to learn in this video. I think you have understand what is pip. So for more explanation, I'm going to show you some popular packages. pi.com. So this is the package manager of pip. All of the things you can find and publish Python packages. For example, if you create a module in Python to do anything, so you can publish here, or you can search for other things. For example, I'm going to say OpenCV. OpenCV is a computer vision package, and there are many versions of OpenCVs available. If you click here, it will show you how to install this. So pip install OpenCV zip. So if you just copy it and go into space it and enter it, it will be installed in your computer. And like that, you can search for lots of things. For example, SMTP. SMTP is a message control message, and is basically for email communication protocol, and you can download them and you can use them. But don't need to worry about anything. Just click it and just copy the syntax, and if you're going to paste it, it will be installed to your system automatically. So now you can understand the power of Python. So this brings the power of Python. Everyone is asking this, why Python is very powerful? Because there are a bunch of modules available. Those are pretty easy, and you can use them in a second if you have a less amount of knowledge in Python. Okay, that's why Python is powerful. For example, you can ask me how to develop a user interface in Python. So in order to develop a user interface, there's a framework called Qt5. So it is going to it will help you to develop user interfaces in Python. Like that, there's another one called Tctl is another one. So it will Tctl, and I think it's gonna be like this, Tctl in Python. So it will help you to design user interface for Python program. So it will be very helpful. Like I said before, pip is very powerful. You can install third-party modules easily. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.